Hey, it's David with Bain Residential. Welcome to 924 East 52nd Street, Unit B. A fabulous freestanding home, a little over 2,200 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a master down, 2 beds up, and an office space up. Come on inside, take a look. It's a wonderful home. The home's open kitchen gives it a wonderful feel and makes it perfect for entertaining. It's got a breakfast bar for spending time with your friends or family as you're preparing your meals, gas stop stove, built-in dishwasher, and then one of the features I always like in a home is a central place to kind of manage the affairs of the home. It's got plenty of room for putting out a buffet for your guests, as well as your appliances, and a ton of storage here. Off the side of the kitchen is the laundry room. It's lots of storage. It's got room enough for side-by-side washer, dryer, and it's going to be able to take care of any of your needs in terms of maintaining your laundry and such. It's a great space for entertaining, opens up to the living area, and just can't be beat. The living area opens up to the kitchen and the dining space. And then what's great, and we're going to show you in a minute, is it opens up to an upstairs balcony. So creating the sense of really open space, the high ceilings, the walkway upstairs, the open kitchen, it all really is just an inviting, open feeling that's perfect for entertaining, spending time with friends, or just relaxing and catching a movie. The open space, tall ceilings, natural light, and hardwood floors make this master bedroom one not to be missed. It's downstairs, so it's separate from the other rooms, providing privacy and just kind of a place of solitude for the homeowner. And it's a wonderful place to relax. The master is quite inviting. We're going to take a look now. A beautifully tiled independent shower, a jetted tub, double vanities, and a large walk-in closet made this the perfect master bath retreat for the homeowners. The dining area is tucked right off from the open living room and kitchen. It's perfect for sitting down enjoying a meal or spending some time getting some work done. The great thing about this is that it also has high ceilings and a curved entryway. So it really lends to the open feel of the property and makes it inviting as well. You can also step right outside to a small patio there with a dog run, or just a place for entertaining friends or spending some time outside. We're going to head upstairs now and take a look at that, and we'll see you there. One of my favorite features of this home is the upstairs dedicated office. It's got beautiful French doors with glass to let light through, and it's got almost a treehouse feel. So it's a great place to set up your office, get some work done, and not be inside of a 4th bedroom that's been converted, or a space that you also want to just enjoy. It separates your work from your home. Upstairs, the 2 guest bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bathroom. They both got large closets, and one opens onto a balcony to overlook Bennett Street out front. It's a great space for your guests, and again, it keeps the privacy of the master downstairs and the guest space separate. It's a great space with high ceilings, hardwood floors, and granite countertops. Not to mention the neighborhood's fantastic, and you're in walking distance to some of the best restaurants and hottest bars in town. It's a wonderful space. If you'd like a private tour, check it out. Make sure to give me a call or shoot me a message. 524 East 52nd Street, Unit B, offered at $640. Have a great day. Thanks.